guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Madhura and I am currently doing my masters in University of Texas Arlington. And if you are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe. So today I am doing a video about how much expensive is the tuition fees if you are planning to do masters in United States of America, and I am talking specifically about UTA. In this video, I will be only talking about the tuition fees. So in the future videos, I will also talk about the living expenditure and how much it is going to cost you if you are planning to come here and do your masters. And notice that I am only talking about master's degree. So if you are coming here for undergrad, your tuition fees might vary. And yeah, so if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will really help me a lot. So now that I have finished the introduction, let's begin how expensive it is to do your master's degree in United States. So okay, I have done 2 years of my master's degree in University of Texas Arlington. So and I had 42 credits because my bachelor's degree was in electronics and communications. So I had 3 prerequisites and one of them I got waived off. So I had to take 2 extra courses. So keep in mind that if you are doing computer science subject or any other course for that matter, if you have 36 credits, your your tuition fees is going to vary, and if you are doing 30 credits, your tuition fees is going to vary. And currently I'm talking about 42 credits. And also keep in mind that from my second semester I had got the teaching assistantship. So my fees was, I had to pay only half of the fees from my second semester onwards. So that actually helped me a lot in my finances. And yeah, I'll also give out you the entire fees it would have costed me if I had not got my TA position, and how much I saved because of my TA position also. So yeah, so in my first semester I had to take 3 subjects. So the 2 of them were undergrad subjects, and these were the prerequisites that I had, and 1 subject I took master's level course. So I came here in fall 2019. So at that time, for 3 subjects the fees was $12,774. So luckily, I don't know how they gave me a scholarship of $2,000. I did not apply anywhere for scholarship, but the college itself gave me $2,000 scholarship. So the amount that I had to pay was $10,724. So yeah, like $12,774 was the total amount. And I had to pay $10,724 because $2,000 I was given scholarship. So this was for my first semester. And for my second semester I took 4 subjects because I had 42 credits and I wanted to graduate in 2 years itself. So I got good grades in my first semester, so I requested the teaching advisor to allow me to take 4 subjects. So I took 4 subjects, and 4 subjects in spring 2020 costed around $16,801.9. So in this semester I got my first job as teaching assistant. So I basically had to pay only half of the fees. So they deducted $8,337. So I only paid around $8,464, and my initial amount that I had to pay without my TA position was $16,801.9. So yeah, that actually helped me a lot. And my third semester, or it is not a semester, usually in summer also you can take courses. So if you want to graduate within 2 hours, and if you have many credits, or if you want to have only 1 or 2 subjects in your final semester, you can take courses in summer as well. So in summer I took 2 courses, and during summer I did not have my TA position because my professor whom I work under, she does not take classes during summer. So I did not have teaching assistantship, and I had to pay the full fees during summer. So during summer, my tuition fees was around $7,473.55 for 2 subjects, and I paid the entire amount, so which was $7,473.55. And then coming to the fourth sem, which was fall 2020, again I had my teaching assistantship, and during this semester I took 3 courses. So for 3 courses, the amount that I had to pay was $13,041. So you can see that in the first semester I had taken 3 courses, and during that time my fees was $12,774. And in my fourth semester I took 3 subjects, and the price was the tuition fees was $13,041. So obviously they are increasing the fees, and it is very obvious, and they increased around some $300 to $400. So by the time when you come, the fees might have been increased. I'm not sure how much it is going to be, but this is the rough estimate how much it is going to be. So since I had TA position during my fourth sem as well, which is fall 2020, they deducted $6,416. So I had to pay $6,625. So that was my fees for my fourth semester, and I had 3 subjects for this semester as well. And for my fifth semester, I only had 2 subjects left. So I did not want to have many courses during my last semester, so I tried to cover as many subjects as possible during my previous semesters, and I also took 2 courses in summer as well. So I had only 2 subjects left, and I had to pay $10,103. But since I had my assistantship position, they deducted $4,331. So I had to pay $5,732 for this particular semester. So if you have 42 credits like me, and if you do not get any other TA positions, so your total tuition fees will be $60,193.45. So because I got the teaching assistant for 3 semesters, I saved around $21,084. So the exact amount that I paid for my tuition fees was $39,119. So when they say tuition fees, basically this is going to be the fees that you pay for your classes. So in this fees, it will include the gym membership, access to library, access to classes and everything. Okay, so if you have 42 credits, it is going to be around $60,000. And in case if you have only 36 credits, then you will be paying around $51,596 for your tuition fees. And if you have only 30 credits, then you will be paying around $42,997. So this is the breakdown for your master's degree, and I have also given different prices for different credits. So yeah, so depending upon the credits you have, you will be paying so much. So basically for my 2 years of master's degree, I have paid around $39,019, and this is only the tuition expenses, and this does not include any of your living expenses. So for your living, you will have to pay separately, and I will cover those in the next video. So now you have got a rough estimate of how much expensive it might be for tuition fees. So if you have 42 credits, definitely it is going to be around $60,000 if you do not get any TA positions, and yeah, if you get TA positions, well and good. So try to get TA or RA positions where you can get where you can get in-state tuition fees. So yeah, this is how expensive it is, but don't be scared. You will find a job, you will get an opportunity to do part-time jobs, and you will also be able to get a job after that. So yeah, so if you are planning to come for masters, and then make sure that if you have any prerequisites, try to clear all of them as much as possible, so you can reduce your expenditure here. And yeah, so other than that, so in the future I also plan to make videos on the living expenditure, how much it is going to be, and the rent that you have to pay, and how much expensive your grocery items comes up to be. So yeah, so stay tuned for the future videos. And also, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thank you for watching.